Hi, my name's Mel. I'm studying the Doctor of Medicine at Deakin University. After 20 years of nursing, an opportunity came up to study medicine through the rural training stream. So with the rural training stream, they have about 15 students at Ararat and about 15 students at Warrnambool. First 2 years is purely book study, going to Ararat once a week for 3 hours of medical science and then 3 hours of clinical practice. And now the second 2 years is hospital-based. So at the moment I'm in 6 weeks of medicine. That has involved a lot of general medicine but also some cardiology. My next rotation is also medicine, but that will be renal, respiratory and infectious diseases. And then I'm really excited for the back end of the year because I think it'll be more my wheelhouse. So 7 weeks of paediatrics, another 7 weeks of surgery and then 7 weeks of obstetrics and gynecology. Deakin is well aware of the barriers that a lot of our community face, whether that's that they live rurally, their ethnicity or their socioeconomic background. So they really intertwine that into the course. Having been born and raised in a rural community, I think I will always be working in rural and regional communities. It is insanely challenging, but it's very rewarding and I do feel very privileged to be able to be studying. I couldn't have done medicine without the rural training stream. It is remarkable though to think that in 2 years I'll be a doctor.